life everybody wish they could live. Only a chosen few make it.
Not really. So we're entering Whitewater. You back? You got it, babe?
Yes.
Walking in. We come into Whitewater. They got the shops everywhere, gift shops, snacks and drinks. Cool, it's a light day.
Last time he wasn't even walking.
Oh, when we came, he showed way. Now you can run through the splash pad, buddy. Right. So we're at Whitewater's, buddy. Ready to get in the water? They got the lazy river open today. Last time we came, it wasn't open for whatever reason. We came in and we made a left and we came down a hill right there from that left, and you got the restrooms right here. Caterers right here, Joy. Got, you know, your life jackets and everything. I appreciate that. Gotta stay safe. Families out here having a good time. So I got Angie, my cuz, she right there. She, Swan. We got Blue and Victoria. There's Jalisa, Cadence, and Rhythm. We finna go get on some slides.
Okay.
Looking for some slides. All right, so it's packed out here today. All right, cuzzo, we'll go get on some slides. Oh, I need to get my water shoes. Yeah. You'll go? Woo. You ready? Come on. Woo! I got that on camera. Good job, buddy. Me and Swan, right here, we're going to the top to go get on some slides. The park is full today. Ain't been packed like this in a while, at least while we've been here anyway. Let's go see. I guess we can go up this way right here. Start with this. It's like 3 rivers right there, or 3 rides, I should say. So it's a little line for this one. I'm not sure what it's called yet. We're just getting on all the slides, so. This blue one has like 3 slides, I guess 3 racers, as you can see right there. But yep, we out the sun though, so me and Swan up here. It's moving pretty fast because you know it's 3 slides, so coming back down the hill.
Okay, let's go.
They're doing a ropes course. Got lockers.
That's why I asked.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay.
Thank you. So it's the low sensory room, y'all. That's cool. High tide funnel cakes over there. Okay. And this the restrooms right here. Coastal finds. That's like shops, everything. Icy stand shack. Chicken shack. 6 below. Oh, that's the ice cream. Oh, that look good. Cross tail. Yeah. So you got slides all over here. Let's see. They got cabanas now, y'all. They ain't used to have cabanas. That's Black River Falls. This Bahama bobslide. Oh, this golf streamer over there. So it's called Wahoo Racer. It's the mat slides right here. They got the little mats. And you go down these things right here, the tubes. for the reef. Cause last time we came, this was on, but the lazy river was off. And this is off. This is what pirate training it says. You trying to be a pirate, buddy? Right. Oh, he